Alright, so now let's say we have two equations. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. So, and both of these equations are linear equations. As you can see here, x is power of 1 and y is power of 1. X is power of 1 and y is power of 1. So these two equations are linear equations. To solve linear equations, you can either use elimination method or substitution method. For this example, I want to show you how to use elimination methods. Okay, by using elimination methods, you can choose either you want to eliminate x or y. In this case, I want to eliminate x. Let's call this our first equation and this is our second equation. Since I want to eliminate x, I can multiply the second equation with 3. So let's say this is our first equation. Our second equation, when I multiply with 3, so it will become 3x minus 6y equals to negative 3. Alright, since we have 3x and 3x, so to eliminate x, I just need to minus. So when 3x minus 3x equals to 0, 4y minus negative 6y equals to 10y. 12 minus negative 3 equals to 15. Then 5 is 15 over 10, or when you can divide by 5, so 3 over 2. Right, since we got our y, so you can substitute back into our first or second equation, depends which one do you like. So in this case, I will choose the second equation, is much easier. So x minus 2, since our y is equals to 3 over 2 equals to negative 1, and x minus 3 equals to negative 1, and x equals to negative 1 plus 3 equals to 2. So therefore our solution is equals to 2, 3 over 2. That's it for elimination method. Alright, now this is elimination. Now I want to show you how to use substitution method. By using the same example, okay, the same systems of equations, I want to use substitution. For substitution, you need to choose one unknown, let's say x or y, from either these two equations to make it as a subject. For example here, I would choose second equation here, and I want to choose x as our subject. So this is the first equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 12. And from this second equation here, this is our equation 1, and x minus 2y equals to negative 1 is our second equation, right? From a second equation, I want to make x equals to negative 1 plus 2y. So I name it as our new equation is equation number 3. Alright, since we use the second equation, and we have a new equation that is called equation number 3. So by taking the new equation 3 and substitute into equation number 1. So now x is negative 1 plus 2y. But substituting into equation number 1, 3, our x now has become negative 1 plus 2y plus 4y equals to 12. By expanding it, negative 3 plus 6y plus 4y equals to 12. 10y equals to 15 and y equals to 3 over 2. Since we have y equals to 3 over 2, and then we substitute it again into our third equation. In our third equation, x is equals to negative 1 plus our y has become 3 over 2, and equal to negative 1 plus 3 is equals to 2. Therefore, our solution is 2, 3 over 2. Okay, these are the example of elimination and substitution for linear equations. Right? So you can also check your answer. Let's say we have x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 over 2. You can substitute back into the equation. So 3 times 2, 6, plus 4 times 3 over 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So valid. And you can also check in the second equation, x equals to 2 minus 3 over 2 equals to 2. 2 minus 2 times 3 over 2. So that means 2 minus 3 is equals to negative 1. So when these two equations satisfy, therefore you can confirm that your answer is correct.